Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent central government vacancies from the three different central universities for the UGC NET lecturership qualified candidates. And here the one university is offering the direct recruitment and the salary is up to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, out of the three different central universities or else the central colleges. So here the first one is National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. Okay, so it is deemed university under the section 3 of UGC Act 1956, and it is an autonomous institution under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India. Okay, and it is in Haryana guys. So in this one, if you click on the careers, then you will go to this one. So here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there here. Okay, and it is the website to register here. Fine, the online application form and the login for the registered applicants. Okay, so first we will see the assistant professor vacancies here, and if you are having the PhD, you may check down the professor as well as the associate professor also. Anyhow, I will provide this link at the end of the description box of this video, so you may please check down this. And coming to the assistant professor, so it is having the openings for faculty positions for Indian nationals at the level of assistant professor. And coming to the department is food business management and entrepreneurship development, so assistant professor. And under the EWS category, one vacancy is there. And here you may check down the required specialization, international business or marketing or business analysis. So essential qualifications, master's degree in business management or administration in a relevant management related discipline accredited by the AICTE or UGC. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the qualifications mentioned here, and it is a backlog vacancy. The eligible and interested person are required to apply online in the form of available in the official website itself. Okay, just now I shown to you. Okay, so these are the details guys. So anyhow, I will provide this PDF link too at the end of the description box of this video, so you may check down. Okay, and here the application procedure is you have to apply through the online only. Fine. So here the professor under the SC category, one vacancy is there from the same college, that is National Institute of Food Technology. And for the associate professor under the UR category and SC category, okay, one vacancy is there for the food engineering. And FBMED under the unreserved category, one vacancy is there. Okay, so the last date for application of this one is the 15th April 2021 is the last date. Fine. And the application fee is 1,000 rupees for the general or OBC candidates and 500 rupees for the SC, ST or EWS candidates. Okay, so it is a recruitment regarding the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. Fine. And while coming to the second colleges, Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Hotel Management, Catering and Nutrition. So it is also the autonomous body under Ministry of Tourism, Government of India from Chandigarh. And here the assistant lecturer come assistant instructor and the teaching associate vacancies are there. So coming to this one, here the pay level 6, that is 35,400 to 1,02,400 rupees per month. Total 5 vacancies are there. Okay, and age limit is 35 years. Essential qualification is NHTET or PhD in hospitality related subject. And coming to the teaching associate, 30 years age limit. So 3 vacancies are there and 25,000 rupees per month. It is the consolidated and the same qualification. Okay, so relaxation of age is mentioned, 5 years in the case of SC, ST and 3 years in the case of OBC non-creamy layer. And few other instructions you may go through the official website of this one guys. Okay, I will provide the official website, okay, in the description box of this video, and the duly filled in application form with all required self-attested testimonials along with DD 700 rupees for general or OBC and 350 rupees for SC, ST and EWS and PW candidates in favor of Principal Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Hotel Management, Chandigarh, payable at Chandigarh. Within the 30 days guys, actually this notification released in the month of March itself. So still you are having some time is there. So hurry up, and if you belongs to this qualification, then you may apply to this college, guys. Okay. And while coming to the next one, it is National Sanskrit University from Tirupati. So prospectus for the teaching posts, and you may check down the associate professor in yoga and Advaita, and assistant professor in this one Vedanta, and in Sahitya, okay, and in Sanskrit education. So here each and every one vacancy is there, and for the assistant professor it is a level 10 category. Okay, so level 10 category means it is also the permanent post. That means you must have the PG as well as the net qualification, net or SLET qualification in that particular department. So demand draft of 800 rupees for registration fee for UR, OBC and EWS candidates get drawn on any nationalized bank on or after the date of this notification. Okay, and the candidates belongs to SC, ST, PWD categories, and women candidates are not required to pay any fee. Okay, and the applicants are required to send the downloaded filled in applications along with the prescribed fee to the registrar, National Sanskrit University, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. And the last date to apply to this one is the 16th April 2021. Okay, so and while coming to the eligibility conditions, so coming to the associate professor, the PhD degree is mandatory, guys. And while coming to the assistant professor, so Acharya or master's degree in Vedanta with 50% of marks, and apart from this one, the net or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so and assistant professor in Sahitya, almost the similar qualification they are asking. Okay, so total these are the three different central institutes, okay, which are having the vacancies for the UGC net qualified candidates. And while coming to the Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Hotel Management Catering, here the net is not required, so NHTET is required, or else the PhD in the hospitality. Fine. So please share this information and like this video. So to get the more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper one. So by looking all these things, you can decide